Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw a cow.
Yeah, we're drawing a Highland cow, and also it's blowing a bubblegum bubble. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have.
Like colored pencils or crayons.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing a circle for our bubblegum bubble. I'm going to draw it in the middle of my paper, and we're going to draw about this big. I guess you could draw it really big if you want to, but it might cover up your cow's face. I wish I had a Highland cow and that it knew how to blow bubbles. That would be fun. Okay, now let's draw the cow's nose. I'm going to draw a little oval shape, but we're only drawing part of it because it's behind the bubble. And then we can draw little nostrils too that are sticking out over the bubble. Okay, next let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw an oval this size and the same oval over here to match. And then we can color this in too. Next, we're going to draw the cow's head and cheeks. We're going to start next to the eye or just above it, and then we're going to draw it curving down and then into the bubble. Yes, there you go. And then we're going to draw a matching cheek on this side. Curve down and into the bubble. Okay, next let's draw the little furry hair on top of our cow's head. We're going to draw a curve connecting to the side and then coming up. And then we can also draw that same curve to match on the other side. Then let's draw a zigzag line coming down, and then maybe a bigger curve coming up a little higher. Then let's draw it curving back down, but going to the right. And then we can draw a little zigzag going up, another curve coming down. Then we'll go back up, and we could add one more little curve. It's like a letter V except curved. Yes. Okay, next let's draw the top of our cow's head. We're going to draw it curving in and then an S curve coming over the top. And then we could also add a little zigzag on top of our cow's head. And then let's draw that same S curve on this side, but then we'll connect into the little piece of fur at the top. It looks like hair. I like it. Next, let's draw our little cow's horns. You could leave these off if you want, but I like them on. Okay, we're going to draw it curving out of the top of our cow's head on both sides. Then we're going to start at the top, and we can draw a little curve so it's not a sharp point, and then get further away towards the bottom so that it's thicker, the horn's thicker right before it goes into the head. Yes, and then we need to add the ears. So let's draw another curve going down on both sides. Yep, and the same on the other side. And then we're gonna curve back into the head. Kind of makes a leaf shape. Yeah, there's our little cow's head. Now we need to draw the body. And let's start with the fur on our cow's chest. We're going to draw a little curved V right below the bubble. Then we can draw a little zigzag down on both sides, and then we'll draw another curve coming up higher. Yeah, okay, next let's draw a little line in between our cow's legs. Then we're going to draw the legs. We're going to draw two lines coming down. It looks like the letter H. And then we can curve around for the bottom or the foot, and then we'll curve back up. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Curve around and up. This like got a little thicker, but we're trying to make these match. Okay, next let's draw the body for our cow. We draw a little curve coming down, and then we're gonna stop so there's a little space next to the leg. And then we can do the same thing on this side. And then we're going to draw the back legs for our little cow and draw it coming down and kind of matching, but then it connects in, so we're only drawing part, so it looks more 3D. And then we can do the same thing over here. I like your little cow's body. Okay, then we can draw the feet. We're going to draw lines going across. I'm going to draw a line on the back foot too. And then we can draw a little line for the split on his foot. I'd put one there because it's a little thicker, but this one's smaller, so I lift it off. And we need to add one more thing.
The tail.
Yeah, the tail. Let's draw a little tail curving out to the side. And then let's draw, looks like the letter J. And then we can draw an S curve to connect the other side. So it actually looks more like a raindrop when you're all done. We did it, we finished drawing our cows, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward, so pause the video and take time to color your drawings too. Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our little cows and they turned out awesome. I really like the extra things you added, like the grass and the heart and the eyelashes.
I like your butterfly too.
My cow was leaning, so I thought I needed to add something that he's scared of. He's just not sure about it.
He's avoiding it.
Yeah. Now you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You could also color your cows differently. Yeah, you could add an entire background. That would be really cool.
Or more cows.
Oh, that would be perfect.
Yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a cow with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.